Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Board for collaboration and creativity in 2023. Google Board is a smart and interactive whiteboard that allows you to brainstorm, sketch, and present your ideas with your team or classmates. Google Board is powered by artificial intelligence and cloud technology, and it integrates with Google Workspace and other apps. Here are some of the benefits and features of Google Board that you need to know. 1. Google Board is easy to set up and use. You can use Google Board on any device, such as a phone, tablet, laptop, or desktop. You can also use it on a 55-inch touchscreen display that comes with a stand and a single cable. You don't need any batteries or ink for the stylus and eraser that come with the display. You just need a Google account and an internet connection to start using Google Board. 2. Google Board is collaborative and interactive. You can invite anyone to join your jam session on Google Board, whether they are in the same room or across the world. You can also join jams from other devices using the Google Board app or web browser. You can see and hear each other through Google Meet, and you can chat and comment on the jam. You can also share your jam with others through email, link, or QR code. 3. Google Board is creative and intelligent. You can draw, write, type, or insert anything on Google Board, such as images, stickers, shapes, text boxes, or web pages. You can also use the handwriting and shape recognition tool to convert your sketches into neat and clear drawings. You can also use the Explore tool to search for relevant information or images from Google without leaving the jam. 4. Google Board is integrated and compatible. You can access and import your work from Google Workspace, such as Docs, Sheets, Slides, or Drive. You can also export your jam as a PDF or image file to your Drive or email. You can also use other apps with Google Board, such as YouTube, Spotify, or Canva. 5. Google Board is fun and engaging. You can use Google Board to make your learning or working sessions more enjoyable and productive. You can use it for brainstorming, sketching, prototyping, teaching, presenting, or anything else you can imagine. You can also customize your jam with different backgrounds, themes, colors, or fonts. So there you have it, how to use Google Board for collaboration and creativity in 2023. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think about Google Board and how you use it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.